Introducing the EndFlex integrated case packing solution. The process begins with the box or T, automatically erecting corrugated cases with speed, precision, and consistent quality, ready for loading. Next, the PKR Delta takes over. Designed for high-speed, flexible automation, the PKR Delta robot performs up to 30 picks per minute, regardless of package size or recipe. With a payload capacity of up to 3 kilograms, including the end effector, it accurately picks and places products into cases using virtually any pack pattern required. Whether you're handling fresh meat, poultry, seafood, produce, frozen fruits and vegetables, bakery items, snack foods, or prepared meals, the PKR Delta easily manages lay-flat bags, stand-up pouches, trays, top-sealed cups, flow-wrapped products, pet food, and retail or bulk packages, delivering gentle handling and repeatable accuracy every cycle. Once packed, cases move seamlessly to the EndFlex Easy Tape Sealer, where each case is securely sealed and ready for palletizing and distribution. The result is a complete end-of-line solution that increases throughput, reduces manual labor, improves consistency, and provides the flexibility today's manufacturers need to adapt to changing production demands. Contact us at info@endflex.com to request specs, pricing, or a layout suitable for your end-of-line packaging area today.